Hello friends, how are you all doing? So let's start with the first equation in question number 4.
So this is the quadratic equation. So as you can see, you cannot factorize this equation, friends. So we have to compare above equation with what is the quadratic equation we have to compare it with? This. We get. So let's write down the values of A, B and C. And friends, towards the end of this video, I'll be giving you a question to solve. So do stay till the end. And if you have any quadratic equation which you have trouble solving with, please feel free to write it in the comment section below. I'll try my best to solve it. So coming back, let's write the formula. So let's start substituting. So these are the values. Divided by 2 3s are 6. Be very careful while putting the values. Let's not miss any signs. So you get 144. This is plus 12 divided by 6. Is it not? So what does our value become? This, friends, is nothing but 156 divided by 6. Friends, if you observe in this question, we have to find the answer correct to how many decimal places? 3 decimal places, is it not? So we have to find the square root of 156. Now the problem is that in our square root table, we have roots values only till 100. So how will we find for 156? So as you all know, we can very well split up 156, is it not? So let's see how to do that. 156, we can write it as 4 into 39. So I don't think you can get further than that. 39 again will be 3 and 13. So that is not of much use. So let's write this only here. Okay. So we will get 12 plus or minus. What will we get here? 4 into 39 divided by 6. So as you can see, now at least this part I will be able to reduce. I will get 12 plus or minus 2 root 39. Divided by 6. So see, from 156 we have come down to root 39. Now root 39 value we can find it out very easily in the square root table. So let's do that. So root 39. Yeah. So I hope you can see, friends, root 39 is 6.245. So let's write it down. 6.245 divided by 6. Okay. Now don't multiply this 2 with 6 because you can take out 2 common. So before you do any multiplication division, keep checking if you can simplify something in the numerator and denominator. So taking out 2 common, we'll get 6 plus or minus this value divided by 6. So obviously you can cancel out 2 here. So we will get 6 plus or minus 6.245 and this will become how much? 3. So now let's write. Now let's add these 2 and subtract. So you'll get 12.245. These are the 2 values you'll get. Just don't forget the minus sign. There is a minus sign over here. Okay. So friends, these are the values of x. Now let's do the division and now we will get it as 4.0816 or x as minus 0.0816. Friends, we have to get the answer correct to how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So at least you do the division and get till 4 decimal places so that you can do rounding off. Okay. So when you do the rounding off correct to 3 decimal places, this is what you will end up with. You'll get 0.82 because of this 6, or the same way here also you'll get 0.82 again because of this 6. So please take care. You have to do the division correct to 4 decimal points so that you will get the accurate answer. So the final answer is this value correct to 3 decimal places.
So friends, here is the question for you to solve. It's 3 into root 2x square minus 5x minus root 2 equal to 0. Please do try it out and share your answers with me in the comment section. If you are getting stuck anywhere, do let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to solve your doubt. Thank you.